In this question, we have to find what is product of hydrolysis of gem dihalide. Now, gem dihalide are those molecules which have Cl on same carbon. For example, this molecule is having 2 Cl on same carbon. So now this molecule is called gem dihalide. Now, gem dihalide on hydrolysis, on reacting with water. Now water will act as nucleophile and replace Cl molecule, so it will convert it to CH3CHOH. Now if two OH groups are attached on same carbon, now due to lone pair repulsion, this will be unstable and one of water molecule will be eliminated, and after removal of water molecule it will be converted to CH3CHO aldehyde. So carbonyl compound is formed when gem dihalide is hydrolyzed. If this molecule is taken and now this molecule is treated with water, now this is again gem dihalide. Now but this is internal gem dihalide, so on hydrolysis both of Cl will be replaced by OH group. Now again two OH groups are present on same carbon, so due to lone pair repulsion between OH group, water molecule is eliminated and it will be finally converted to ketone. So from hydrolysis of gem dihalide, aldehyde and ketones means carbonyl compounds are formed as a product, and hence correct answer is C. In this question, we have to find which of the following on heating with aqueous KOH produce acetaldehyde. Now if we take first molecule CH3COCl on heating with a KOH, now KOH will act as nucleophile, OH negative will replace Cl negative, so it will be converted to acetic acid. So acetic acid is formed in the first case. Now in second case, when CH3CH2Cl is taken, now again KOH act as nucleophile, OH negative will replace Cl negative, so CH3CH2OH ethyl alcohol is formed as a product. In third case, now this molecule is having Cl on adjacent carbon, so this molecule is called vicinal dihalide, and vicinal dihalides on reacting with KOH will be converted to, first it will be converted to CH2OH. Now this OH will act as nucleophile and will replace Cl, so epoxide is formed in this case. Now if gem dihalides are taken, gem dihalide are those molecules which have Cl on same carbon. Now gem dihalide on reacting with KOH will replace both of Cl and it will be converted to gem diol. Now gem diol are having lone pair repulsion between oxygen atom. So due to lone pair repulsion, water molecule is eliminated and finally it will be converted to acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde is formed in fourth case, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find final product of the reaction. Now this reaction is example of Kucherov reaction. In Kucherov reaction, mercury plus 2 ion is taken, mercuric plus 2 ion is taken in acidic medium. Now alkyne act as nucleophile and Hg2 positive ion act as electrophile, so it will be converted to cyclic intermediate PHC double bond C CH3. Now this cyclic intermediate is formed. Now in second step, water act as nucleophile. Water will attack on that carbon in which positive charge is comparatively more stable. So positive charge will be more stable at this carbon because this is stabilized by resonance of phenyl group. So water will preferentially attack at this carbon. Simultaneously carbon electron bonds are shifted. So we get PH, C, OH, double bond C, Hg and CH3. Now Hg positive ion will be eliminated in last step and hydrogen will be attached in place of mercury. So we will get PH, C, OH, double bond, CH2, CH3. Now this molecule is having enolic bond and hence there is possibility of tautomerism. So it will tautomerize to PH, C double bond O, CH2 and CH3. So this is the final product formed in the reaction and hence correct answer is A. In this reaction we have to find what is product form when benzoyl chloride is hydrogenated in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. So when benzoyl chloride PHCOCl, now this molecule is treated with hydrogen palladium in presence of barium sulfate. Now barium sulfate is poisoned catalyst and hence it will decrease reactivity of palladium, and now this will only reduce acid chloride to aldehyde, and this barium sulfate, this poisoned catalyst, cannot further reduce aldehyde to alcohol. So aromaticity of the molecule is retained and only acid chloride is reduced till aldehyde. So benzaldehyde is formed as a final product. Now this reaction is named reaction. This reaction is called Rosenmund reaction, and this reaction used to convert acid chloride to aldehyde, and hence correct answer is B. Now benzaldehyde is the final product obtained. In this question we have to identify what is product obtained when calcium propanoate is heated. Now calcium propanoate is salt of propanoic acid with calcium hydroxide. Now calcium propanoate on heating release calcium carbonate molecule. Removing calcium carbonate molecule CaCO3, it will be converted to pentanone. So CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3 is formed as a product. So 3-pentanone is obtained as a final product along with formation of calcium carbonate, and hence correct answer is 3-pentanone, and hence option A is correct. In this question we have to identify product obtained on dry distillation of mixed salt of calcium acetate format. Now mixed salt are those compounds which have which are formed due to different type of acids. Now calcium formate acetate is formed from acetic acid and formic acid. Now if this salt is heated, now on heating calcium salt will decompose to give calcium carbonate. So CaCO3 is released, and after removal of CaCO3 we get acetaldehyde as a product. Now its IUPAC name is ethanol. So ethanol or acetaldehyde is obtained, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find what is product obtained when acetic acid is heated with manganese oxide at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. So acetic acid, now this molecule is acetic acid. If two equivalents of acetic acid are heated in presence of manganese oxide, then water and CO2 gas is released, and this molecule will be converted to acetone along with formation of carbon dioxide and water, and hence correct answer is C. Now acetone or 2-propanone is formed as a product. In this question we have to find in which of the following reaction ketone is formed as a product. Now in first case, when ethanol is treated with acidic camenophore, now camenophore is a strong oxidizing agent, and strong oxidizing agent will convert 1 degree alcohol ethanol into aldehyde first, and then aldehyde will be further oxidized. So final product formed in this case is acetic acid. Now in second case, when ethanol is heated in presence of copper at high temperature, approximately 300 degrees Celsius temperature, at this temperature, now hydrogen H2 molecule will be released, and this will be converted to CH3CHO, aldehyde plus hydrogen gas is released. Now this reaction is called dehydrogenation or oxidation, and this will lead formation of acetaldehyde. In third case, when 2 degree alcohol is heated in presence of copper at approximately 300 degrees Celsius temperature, now again hydrogen molecule is released and oxidation reaction takes place, and in this case acetone, ketone is formed as a product. When tertiary alcohol are heated in presence of copper at high temperature, approximately 300 degrees Celsius temperature, then in this case water molecule will be released. In primary and secondary alcohol, hydrogen gas is released, while in the case of tertiary alcohol, dehydration reaction takes place, alkene is formed as a product. So in fourth case, when 3 degree alcohol is taken, now after dehydration reaction, alkene is formed as a final product. So correct answer is C. Ketone is formed in third case. In this question we have to find reductive ozonolysis product of this molecule. Now reductive ozonolysis takes place in presence of zinc water. Now in first case, when cyclohexanone is treated with ozone in presence of zinc and water, now double bond will be cleaved and we have to add oxygen with both of the carbons. So the final product formed is this molecule. Now this molecule is having both aldehyde and ketone group. So numbering should be done from aldehyde end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 keto heptanol is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which one of the following combination will give propanaldehyde on dry distillation. So well, calcium propanoate is taken with calcium formate on dry distillation, these two molecules give propanaldehyde. Now this is calcium propanoate, and when this molecule is treated with calcium salt of formic acid, so these two molecules when heated, so one of the product form is calcium carbonate is released from both the molecule. Now there is possibility of formation of CH3, CH2, CO and H. So propanaldehyde is formed, but along with propanaldehyde we also get formaldehyde, and along with formaldehyde 2-pentanone is also formed as a product. So there is possibility of formation of propanaldehyde in third combination when calcium salt of propanoic acid and calcium salt of formic acids are taken. While in other option, for example in option A, there is possibility of formation of benzaldehyde benzaldehyde, formaldehyde, and benzophenone PHCO pH. In second case, when calcium acetate and calcium propanoate are taken, then there is possibility of formation of 3-pentanone, acetone CH3COCH3, and from this carbon if CH3CH2, and from this carbon if CH3 is coming, then there is possibility of formation of 2-butanone. In fourth case, there is possibility of formation of only acetone, and hence correct answer is C. In this question, we have to identify which of the following compound is resistant to oxidation by periodic acid. Now, periodic acid can oxidize to those molecules which have this type of system. Now, on reacting with HiO4, now this bond is broken and OH is attached at this place and at this place. Now, if two OH are present on same carbon, then water molecule is released and it will be converted to this compound. So any molecule which is having 1,2-diol will be oxidized with HiO4. Now if we consider first example CH2 OH, C double bond O, CH2OH. Now this molecule will be oxidized by HiO4. In this case, CH2OH will oxidize to HCHO. So one equivalent of formaldehyde is formed, and this part will be converted to CHOH, CH2OH. So this product is formed. So this molecule will be oxidized. While if we consider second option, now this molecule CH2OH, CH2OH is not 1,2-diol, so it will not oxidize by HiO4. There is no reaction. Hence, correct answer is B. Now, if we consider other options, for example, CH2, OH, CH, OH, CH2OH. Now, this molecule is 1,2-diol. On reacting with HiO4, when first equivalent of HiO4 is consumed, now it will be converted to HCHO formaldehyde plus CHO, CH2OH. Now this molecule can be further oxidized by HiO4 and it will give one equivalent of formic acid and one equivalent of formaldehyde. So overall, two equivalent of formaldehyde and one equivalent of formic acid is formed as a product. In fourth case, when ethylene glycol is taken, now this molecule ethylene glycol CH2 OH, CH2OH, or this molecule on reacting with HiO4, one equivalent of HiO4 is consumed and we will get two equivalents of formaldehyde. So reaction is not possible in second case B, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find final product of given sequential reaction. Now cyclohexane, in presence of sunlight, monohalogenation takes place via free radical substitution and it will be converted to 2-degree alkyl halide. Now this reaction takes place via free radical substitution reaction. Now this molecule on reacting with alcoholic KOH in presence of heat. Now alcoholic KOH is strong base and in presence of high temperature, now E2 reaction will take place, and due to E2 reaction it will form cyclohexene molecule. Now this cyclohexene molecule on reductive ozonolysis with ozone and zinc water, now this double bond is broken and it will be converted to carbonyl group. So ultimately, now this product is formed. Now this molecule is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon, and at first and sixth position aldehyde is present. So name of molecule is hexane 1,6-diol, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to identify final product of the reaction. Now this molecule CH2 double bond CH, CH2 C triple bond N is having polar pi bond, and on reacting with pH MgBr, now pH MgBr, this is Grignard reagent, and Grignard reagent act as very strong nucleophile. Now this carbon nitrogen bond is polar bond, so there is possibility of nucleophilic addition reaction in which pH negative act as nucleophile. So Grignard reagent act as nucleophile, attack on carbon, and simultaneously carbon nitrogen bonds are shifted towards nitrogen. So we get CH2 double bond CH, CH2 C double bond N. Now pH and N negative is attached with MgBr positive. Now in second step, when acidic water is taken, in presence of acidic water, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 C double bond NH, pH is formed. Now this molecule, in presence of water, reaction is taking place in aqueous medium. So imine, now this molecule is imine, and imine on hydrolysis form carbonyl compound. So finally it will be converted to CH2 double bond CH, CH2 C, pH double bond O, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following reaction cannot be used to prepare this alcohol. Now in first case, when C6H5 COCH3 is taken with Grignard reagent, now C2H5 MgBr act as nucleophile because organometallic compound having negative charge on carbon will act as nucleophile, while carbonyl group having polar pi bond act as electrophile. Now C2H5 donate pair of electron, so C6H5 C O negative MgBr CH3 C2H5 is formed. Now this molecule after acidic hydrolysis gives C6H5 COH C2H5 CH3. So in first case we get the product. Now in second case, in this case carbonyl group having polar pi bond act as electrophile, Grignard reagent act as nucleophile. So finally CH3 CH2 C OH CH3 pH is formed. So from B it can be also prepared. Now if we take option 3, in this case CH3 negative act as nucleophile and this carbonyl group act as electrophile, CH3 will attack and nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. So final product form is C6H5 COH CH3 C2H5. So in this case we get same product. Now in fourth case, when C2H5 MgCl act as nucleophile, now in first case SN-AE reaction takes place. In first step nucleophilic addition elimination takes place and Cl is replaced by C2H5. So after first step we get C6H5 CO C2H5. Now this molecule on further reacting with C2H5 MgCl will finally convert it to C6H5 C OH. Now both C2H5 are attached from same carbon. So in fourth case, we will not get this alcohol, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find product of following sequence of reaction. Now in first step, alkaline KMnO4 is taken. Now in presence of alkaline KMnO4, this bond is broken and it will be converted to diol. Next, HiO4 is taken. Now in presence of HiO4, periodic acid oxidation. Now this compound will be oxidized to carbonyl group. And in third step, when OH negative compound is heated with OH negative, now in this case intramolecular aldol condensation reaction takes place. So now this alkene would be converted to 1,2-diol after syn hydroxylation. Now this reaction is hydroxylation reaction. Now this molecule is having 1,2-diol and 1,2-diol in presence of HiO4. Now oxidation reaction takes place. This bond is broken and two OH groups are attached at same carbon. Now water molecule is eliminated and this compound will be converted to carbonyl compound. Now if two carbonyl groups are present at same carbon, then there is possibility of intramolecular aldol condensation. So first there is possibility of formation of 6-membered ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hydrogen is eliminated from this carbon. Now this is nucleophile and there is possibility of intramolecular aldol condensation. So now this will act as nucleophile and we will get aldol. Now aldol on heating eliminate hydrogen from its beta position in such a way that alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is formed. So after aldol condensation, we will get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So product given in option A is correct answer and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to identify final product of the reaction. So in presence of HiO4, periodic acid oxidation, now OH-OH bond is cleaved and two OH group will attach to both of the carbon. So CH3, CH, OH, one of the product is this and other is C, OH, OH, CH3, CH3 is formed as a product. Now these two molecules are having two OH group on same carbon and due to lone pair repulsion between these two groups, water molecule will be eliminated and it will be finally converted to CH3CHO. So one equivalent of acetaldehyde, and from this molecule again water is eliminated. So one molecule of acetone is formed and hence correct answer is B.